What's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is Ben with SSAHAUS. Today is February the 27th. It's so-called lit week for the air-cooled Porsche guys. This is SoCal weather. It's winter summer today, 90 degrees. So all East Coast guys, sorry, we're in shorts. We have a friend here, Phil, from
Technica race wire. Thanks for having us, Ben.
So what are we doing here today?
Well, aside from all the red cars we have, along with your 996 right there, we're hosting a full open house, an annual open house, to showcase all the latest projects and builds that we do. People want the Singer-like build, but not the Singer budget. That's where we come in. We provide a full EFI package, ITBs, wiring, engine builds, gearbox, pretty much like the full solution that people need. And we act more as an engineering firm, constantly growing, R&D, building. It's a full, like, I would say, like a laboratory in here.
Nice, nice. I also see that not just Porsche, we also have Datsun in there too.
Yeah.
So it's not just your air-cooled Porsche, it could be anything. Anything that's carbureted, you want to convert to EFI, and you don't know who to go to, these guys are the guys that can make it happen. So thank you for inviting us, and we appreciate it. We're going to check out the show. Thank you. It's hot today, so let's go inside.
So this is like Phillip 4-liter engine. Everything is redone, machined. You don't need to find a new case or anything. It's all done by Ed Pink race engines.
So something like this, what's the budget to get it started?
So it ranges from like 130 to 150.
Just for the bottom end? Like,
no, everything.
Oh, everything,
like,
complete.
Crate engine, wiring, Kingsler, and ITBs, billet plenum, everything.
Oh wow.
And so it gets all the engine dynoed with us and Ed Pink, and then just comes as a crate engine.
Turnkey motor, ready to go.
Pretty much, yeah.
It's a 4.0. How many horsepower are they expecting?
Well, through testing, we're hitting 380 to 4.
Wheel horsepower.
Yeah, all NA.
Okay.
But we are trying some turbo application as well.
Nice.
Playing with that. People have been asking a lot about Swindon cylinder heads, so that's in the future. So, but yeah, but here's like kind of the, I guess the highest end motor that anybody can get.
Yep.
And the best part is that we can get it in minimum 4 months.
Oh, it's quick.
Yeah.
Quick turnaround time.
Because you don't have to, you get a fresh case, you
Yep.
just start assembling.
Nice.
So,
If you just have the budget, you want a Rolex in your back of your trunk, your car, there you go.
Yeah.
This is the one. This is king of the crop, right?
yeah.
Whoa.
And then here's all the pieces right here. Everything's like 5-axis machine. Here's the Kingsler system. It's all provided by Ed Pink. They are also the people who build all the Singers. So there's a Singer spec and there's an Ed Pink spec.
Nice. Cool.
But
Nice jewels.
yeah. Here's the full shop floor. We have a lot going on. Cool. So this is 930 turbo, 3.3 liter. We built this with TRE Motorsport. And we had the full TurboCraft package. In here, we have, the Bosch drive-out wire, TurboCraft intercooler, coil plug, and we just wired this whole thing up.
Well, nice. I really like the color.
Yeah, we're aiming to hit 500 on this one. So it's almost done. It needs a final tune.
Do you know if the fender's been modified? Because I know on a Targa, it doesn't come wide body.
Yeah, it has been. Yeah.
So I'm assuming
it has a
it's
wider hip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe, actually the front too. So it's part of the factory turbo flares.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here we have all harnesses and ECUs used to control the full engine. M-Tron, Max ECU, Motec, it's all here. It depends on what available tuners are there. You have electronic pedals, you want like a drive-out wire system. And then in here, our good friend Jen from JBZ Plastics, doing a lot of R&D with them to provide them an EFI solution for the Z cars. This is a 240Z motor.
I see it around.
Right here.
I put
We have Gen V ITBs, coil plug, kind of the similar system we give for the Porsches, but we want to give it to the Z because honestly, like the engines and the carburetor system doesn't really run too well, and we want to have a much more drivable system and tunable system, and people can do more things like turbocharge, supercharge, or anything. But Eric has designed a full mounting system for all the electronics and the wiring, and we just want to provide something really cool for the Z community. And then in here is an Alfa Romeo, full-on EFI package for classic Alfa Romeos. You can do twin spark or single spark, and they look really nice. They're cheaper than 911s, but works just as well. Kind of the same thing, harness, mounting systems, but we want to keep everything analog, like with your analog gauges and switches to control the whole chassis. Here's one that's being done with Dorian from DV Mechanics. So we want to give more love to the Alpha community. And here's all like the vendors out here. We have Fluid Engineering, who does all the induction systems or ignition systems. There's Marco from Fluid. He's a new owner, and he provides me all like the ignition systems. Restoration Design does all the OEM wiring for G bodies and classic like 356. We have Silver Lake. Silver Lake has their own induction system and carbon system and their own valve covers. And he loves to use titanium hardware. That's like kind of his main jam. And then in here we have Zerlinden. They do a lot of composites, autoclave composite materials, or composite procedure. The main thing that set him apart is autoclave. So he added a lot of positive pressure onto the layup of the composites.
So they pressure this right here? Is that what you're saying?
No, so like when you bag it, you have negative pressure, and the autoclave adds positive pressure around it.
Oh, vacuum.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's their specialty.
Pretty light.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between ZG and Silver Lake? They looks to the naked eye, a regular person, right?
Yeah.
They're identical. So what are the? I don't know if you might know this or not. Maybe they can answer. What are the difference in performance gain by running these besides aesthetically?
So you get more volume.
More air volume, yes.
So this compared to Silver Lake, you get like a higher stack.
Okay.
But
longer runners. Yeah,
Zerlinden has his own special ITBs that he packaged. But his focus is just manufacturing composites. Silver Lake focus on like, here's my intake kit specifically, here's my hardware, and that's it. So the objective of the company is different.
Yeah.
But they do have similar products. But people want different looks, there's different options. You know, like he has a single butterfly for Silver Lake, but Zerlinden has like individual throttle bodies.
ITBs, yeah. So this is mimicking the real true GT3 setup.
Yes,
Yeah.
Pretty much. And here are the Gen Vs. Gen Vs are really good, budget-friendly options. They're from UK. I could get Gen V ITBs in matters of weeks instead of months.
Cool.
And it aesthetically looks really nice.
Look at that trumpet, the old school feel.
Yeah. They're the people who want not the restaurant look, but like the old classic look. So that's the Gen Vs. There's Jason. This Jason from Stuttgart Classica. He does all the carbon. There's this ITB setup. He does really great work out in New Jersey. And I'm trying to convince him to come out to California.
Oh, it's a good time right now. What's the weather like over there in Jersey?
Yeah.
You just want to know.
It's too hot here.
Too hot here. See, welcome to SoCal, February, winter.
So we partner a lot together to make a lot of cars run really well. And this is a sample of his setup. This is actually a 4-liter, all built out, carbon plenum, Stuttgart Classicas, ITBs, all billet made, and he just makes everything in-house.
It's nice.
His shrouds, his tinware, the pedal. Yeah, we have a lot of cool vendors, but pretty much in here it's like very tech talk. Get to see all the latest like products and systems that people can put onto their cars to make this run a lot better and look a lot better.
Nice. Very awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jason. Thanks for coming down every year.
Yeah, every year.
Enjoy our winter summer.
He loves the acai bowls.
Oh, there you
It's
go.
different. Yeah.
Cool. All right, guys. That's it for Lit Week over here at TRW. I'll see you guys next year, right?
Yes.
Every year. See you soon.